Thanks for tuning back in. This is the second part of Chapter 1. This brings me back to Healthy People 2020. This epidemic of obesity and the related health problems has brought obesity to the forefront of health promotion activities. Some of the nutritional objectives set by the Healthy People 2020 initiative include developing nutritional standards for children and ensuring that our schools offer nutritious lunches. We need to improve access to food, especially healthy food. The healthcare community needs to become involved by using more accurate measures of obesity and making nutritional counseling more widely available. Employers need to take a vested interest in the health of their employees. Finally, we need to increase the amount of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in our diets. There are also physical activity objectives to help us get moving. Preventing obesity is the key to solving this problem while helping obese people reduce their weight. Even a 10% reduction in weight will decrease the health risk for obese people, but we all know how hard it is to lose weight. Preventing obesity starts at home with our children. The habits we teach them now, by what we give them to eat, and by what they see us eating, will stay with them for a lifetime and greatly reduce the risk of obesity. Getting moving and getting our kids moving will also reduce the risks of obesity. Finally, looking for healthy but tasty options when we are eating out and managing our portion sizes when in restaurants will help decrease our risk. Now the good news. The rates of nutritional deficiency, malnutrition, and undernutrition are very low in this country, and we are living longer, healthier lives. As a country, we have added more diversity to our food choices as the world has gotten smaller and smaller, and we are introduced to new foods and flavors. Despite these positive indicators, we still have work to do in terms of more education and teaching our children healthier habits. What are the current nutritional recommendations? My Plate was a new guide and recommendation released by the USDA in 2005, which replaced the old food pyramid. This plan includes more nutrients, promotes more variety, and talks about weight control as a gradual process. You can sign into the USDA website for more information. This is a great tool to manage your own personal nutrition and provide helpful tools to share with others in your household. This is an example of one of the tools available on the Plate website with some easy tips to help you get started on your nutrition journey. Take a few minutes and take a tour of the website and the resources available there. I'm often asked why they keep changing the nutritional recommendations and developing more tools. More and more, science has realized that nutrition needs to be based more on the individual instead of the entire population. We need to consider all the factors that influence our food choices when looking at nutrition. The economy plays a big role in what we eat because in some cases, we eat what we can afford, which is the single largest factor in malnutrition in this country. Also, the food environment in this country has changed greatly. There are more prepackaged and processed foods available, and fast food has become a way of life. I know you may be thinking that that's all you hear about anymore is nutrition. Eat this, not that, etc. But we are only scratching the surface when looking at the relationship between nutrition and health. Thanks for tuning in for the remainder of Chapter 1. Head to Chapter 2 next to watch that video.